In this video, we will discuss the Jenkins interview preparation question. 1. What is Jenkins? Jenkins is an open-source automation platform for building, testing, and deploying software. It helps manage builds, provides transparency into the code quality, and allows for automatic deployment of software changes. 2. What is Jenkins used for? Jenkins is widely used to automate the building, testing, and deployment of software. It can be used in a variety of scenarios such as small development teams, large organizations, or even open-source projects. 3. What is Groovy in Jenkins? Groovy is a Java-based language that is used in Jenkins. It helps make the automation process simpler and more flexible by providing code annotations, domain-specific languages, DSLs, and APIs for tasks such as building, testing, deploying, or reporting. 4. How do you install Jenkins? Follow the below steps to install Jenkins. Install Java. Install Apache Tomcat Server. Download Jenkins WAR file. Deploy Jenkins WAR file. 5. What is continuous integration with reference to Jenkins? Continuous integration is a software development process that checks the integrity of code every time it is checked into version control. This helps ensure that changes are made to the code in a way that does not cause inconsistent or broken behavior. Jenkins automatically performs these checks and can report any issues so they can be fixed quickly. 6. What is the difference between continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment? Continuous integration. Continuous integration is a DevOps software development practice that permits developers to combine, merge the changes to their code in the central repository to run automated builds and tests. Continuous delivery. Continuous delivery helps automate the process of delivering software updates to customers as they are ready. This allows for quick and reliable delivery of new features and bug fixes. Continuous deployment. Continuous deployment is a newer term that refers to when an organization deploys software automatically, as it is ready, rather than waiting for a planned release date. 7. What is the CI/CD pipeline? A CI/CD pipeline is a sequence of software development processes that enable organizations to automate the deployment of code changes and deploy them into an environment. This helps ensure that the latest versions of code are deployed as quickly as possible, mitigating issues before they impact users. The steps in a typical CI/CD pipeline might include code review. After new code is written, it must be checked for syntax errors and other issues by a human being. Automated tools can help speed up this process by identifying problems early on in the development cycle. Build processes. Build processes. Once the code is error-free, the build process must be automated in order to create a software artifact. This might include creating an executable, packaging it for deployment, and running tests. Deployment processes. Now that the code is ready to deploy, it must be pushed into a production environment. This might include setting up permissions and flows, as well as deploying software updates or new releases. 8. Name 3 different types of pipelines in Jenkins. CI/CD pipeline. Scripted pipeline. Declarative pipeline. 9. What are the requirements for using Jenkins? To use Jenkins, you require the following: a source code repository that can be accessed, for example a Git repository, a build script, Maven script. 10. Name some of the useful plugin in Jenkins. HTML Publisher, Maven 2 project, Amazon EC2 copy artifact.